After watch Mahabharat, I am recording this video. My previous time, my whole day I tried to record video, but I didn't cause my family is full of people. I am belong to a joint family. Because of that, someone or other are always at our house. Because of that, I didn't record any kind of video. Right now, if I'm showing the time, so it's, oh my god, why this is not showing? Wait a minute. Just see. 8 past 10. After watch Mahabharat, I like to watch Mahabharat. So every day Mahabharat series is happening 1 hours 9 to 10 p.m. at night. So after watch this, me and my husband both we are watching this, and then I told my husband that I am recording video, so if you want to go somewhere so you can, cause after recording this video, after editing, I will upload this video.